Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanu Motors. These days people ask me why Charlie you are charging for assessment. Basically I'm not going to do the diagnostic, I'm going to do the assessment. I'll show you why am I going to charge for the assessment. First of all, this is Kia VENGA 2011 model. You can see engine management light on. Then I found two faulty codes P0300 random multiple cylinder misfire detected, P0301 cylinder 1 misfire detected. Basically what happened when you go to the garage, they plug in the computer and they said this is the faulty code. You need to do plug and one coil pack or one plug and one coil pack for cylinder number 1. But however, many garages said you need to do all spark plugs and one coil pack for the cylinder number 1. But however, I'm not going to say that day, because once they done the job, sometimes still misfire there, because misfire can be eliminate lot of problem. So I'm not going to stop from here. I'm going to the engine bay now. I'm going to switch off the car. Next step, what I'm going to do, I'm already remove the top screws for the cover. Then after that I'm going to swap coil pack and spark plugs. Lift up this cover, then I have access to spark plug and coil pack. First of all, I'm going to number all coil pack. Basically they're talking about the cylinder number 1. This is the cylinder number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. What I'm going to do, I'm going to remove spark plug and the coil pack cylinder number 1. Coil pack going to be cylinder number 2 and the spark plug going to be cylinder number 3. That's why next step I'm going to do. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out number 3 spark plugs and number 1 spark plugs. Number 1 going back to the number 3, number 3 back to number 1. Right, then after that I'm going to install. Right, change, not change, so I spark plugs, then the coil pack number 3 going to the coil pack number 3, coil pack number 1 going to number 2 cylinder, and the number 2 going to the number 1 cylinder. I done the all changes in the engine bay. Next step I'm going to the computer. Ignition on. Then I'm going to clean all fault code first. Right, code cleared. Then I'm going to under engine management check any faulty code left there. Codes, you can see no present code. Then I'm going to switch off the car. couple of time I'm going to switch off, start. Right, I done 3 times switch off and switch on. Then I'm going to check with the computer any fault code coming to the under engine management. Right, still no present code. Next step, I'm going to leave it running 5-10 minutes. If it not come after 5-10 minutes, I'm going to take to small road test and find out what's going on there. At the moment I'm leave it running the car. After leave it running, light didn't come, then I'll check with the computer, nothing coming up, then went to the small 5-minute run, then the light came back, then I had to go with the computer again. I'm going to the engine code. Now you can see again two faulty code came, P0300 random misfire, and the second one P0302 cylinder number 2 misfire detected. You know why? Cause of this one, you saw what I done before. Please comment below what do you think about this misfire. What am I going to change for this problem? However, that's why I'm charging for my assessment. I'm using my own time and my experience, and physically I'm going to find out what's exactly the cause. Then I don't want to add unnecessary part into your car, into this car. That's why I'm going to saving customer money and timing, because some garages install, once they see this one exactly, they are installing plugs, 4 plugs and 1 coil pack for the whatever misfire. Sometimes they're going to be success, sometimes not. If it not, they said, oh no, we have to check the compressor, we have to check the injector, blah blah blah. But however, when you go step by step like me, you know exactly what's the problem. Please comment. I think you know what's the answer for that one. I'm going to change only one unit. Yeah, comment below. Thanks for watching. See you with the next video.